For real.
Strength, skill, and the fall of a giant. Let's watch this video together with top tech. It was a beautiful day, and the workers showed excellent teamwork to bring down an ancient tree. The cut was so large that a person could easily fit inside. Truly impressive. With precise calculations, they felled the tree effortlessly. It was a truly remarkable day at work. The majestic cedar tree, a symbol of resilience and grandeur, now faces the powerful cuts of the style chainsaw. Its massive trunk slowly leans, with layers of tough bark breaking under the pressure, ready to crash to the ground. This cedar, after centuries of standing tall, is ending its long journey with a mighty felling strike. The Husqvarna 562 XP is a powerful machine with 4.7 horsepower and a chain speed of up to 14,700 RPM. Designed for tough jobs, it cuts through large logs as if it were tearing paper. Weighing only 6.1 kilograms, it offers an excellent balance between power and agility, making any sawing task much easier. The steel Duramatic isn't just a chainsaw. It's a symbol of raw power and resilience. When the engine roars to life, you feel the forest bending to your will. Its sharp blade slices through massive trees like a sword through its foe. With the style Duramatic in hand, no challenge in nature stands a chance. If it were you, would you take on this job? It's both physically demanding and stressful. Today might be a tough workday for them.
Honda. Cắt. Ê, thật chưa?
I want to share with you this interesting video of some guys transporting wood. They stacked really heavy logs at the back, and when they went up the hill, then oh my goodness, I never thought about how they load such large logs onto a truck like this. It looks so impressive. But it seems a bit cumbersome. The dipper fox spins like a dancer's blade, slicing the stump into 100 fragments. Each turn is a swift strike, clearing the way for new life. In 30 seconds, the stump vanishes without a trace. It's truly unbelievable how the truck is speeding along with that massive, bulky load of timber. I'd bet it's definitely exceeding its weight limit. Oh my God! This is exactly why we don't haul heavy loads on rainy days, especially when climbing muddy hills.
For real? Oh, hell. You get that damn Stump towel then. Cause he sold that guy off the load, let me.
The Husqvarna 572 XP is a true warrior with its 70.6 cubic centimeter engine, ready to take on massive trees. With 5.8 horsepower, it's not just powerful, but slices through wood like it's playing a game. Weighing only 6.6 kilograms, it glides through timber like a knife through butter. Who knew a little guy could be so strong? The Steel MS-660 is a powerful chainsaw with a 91.6 cubic centimeter engine, delivering up to 7.0 horsepower. Weighing only 7.3 kilograms, it's designed for easy handling when dealing with large trees. It supports guide bars ranging from 50 to 90 centimeters, making it ideal for felling massive timber. This model is a top choice for professional logging due to its high performance and durability.
Where'd you go?
Thank you for watching the entire video. See you in the next one.